Dream. Dream of clean India. Dream of a place so immaculate and serene. Dream of experiencing pure and fresh air. Dream. This is the reality. India produces 1.5 lakh tons of waste in a day. That is 547 lakh tons of waste is produced in a year. What happens to such huge volumes of waste? Most of these wastes find their way into land and water bodies. It causes water pollution or leaves a stinking odor and vultures floating over piles of unhygienic waste dumped in the landfills. Solid waste is thus becoming a serious health hazard. We have a grave problem here. Let's turn our dream into reality. The best key to this is the very efficient Kaijing's Ecomposter, a machine which converts kitchen solid waste to organic compost in just a day. Population is growing, so is the waste generated. But can the land on earth grow? Decentralization of waste management is thus today's need. And this is where we need the Ecomposter, which provides us waste management solution at source itself. Ecomposter is a fully automatic composting machine. A specially designed shredder of this machine makes our work even easier. Let it be shells, bones or hard rinds, this heavy-duty industrial grinder can take any hard-to-break wastes. When organic waste is added to the machine, the shredder cuts down the food materials into pieces. Organic waste consists of 70 to 80% of water content. This moisture is removed with the help of a heater in the machine. The double housing blender inside the U-shaped tank keeps on mixing the waste continuously so that it is heated uniformly.
ओल्या कचऱ्यामध्ये पाण्याचं प्रमाण जास्त असतं. ते काढण्यासाठी कंपोस्टिंग टँकला खाली ऑइल हीटर्स दिलेले आहेत. ऑइल हीट केल्यामुळे ब्लोअर मार्फत बाहेर काढली जाते वाफ. कंपोस्टिंग प्रोसेस व्यवस्थित होण्यासाठी आतील टेम्परेचर योग्य असणे आवश्यक आहे. त्यासाठी टेम्परेचर कंट्रोलर दिलेला आहे.
Simultaneously, microbial action takes place over the organic waste.
This microbial culture is specific aerobic microbial culture, consortium of aerobic microbial culture which acts on protein, starch and fat.
A specially designed microbial culture highly suited for Indian food habits then decomposes the remaining organic waste. After all this process, just within 24 hours, a problem is solved. We have odorless rich compost, which is just 20% in volume of the waste we added.
This microbial culture which we use in composting machine is retained for 5 days, and after incubation process we get out product. This out product is converted into completely a composted material which can be used for a society, gardening as well as for agricultural purpose with little further processing of that product.
If everything is done by the machine, then what do? Your work is just 5 simple steps. Step 1. Segregate the biodegradable waste from the non-biodegradable. Step 2. Add the biodegradable waste in the machine. Step 3. Press the start button. Step 4. Press the stop button. Step 5. You can now take out the discharge and store it in the required pits.
Food waste or municipal solid waste is added into the machine. It produces acids which may corrode internal parts of the machine. So we had made specifically all the internal parts with the material SS304, which extends the life of machine.
Housing societies, hospitals, industrial establishments, hotels generate huge volumes of kitchen waste every day. Rohan Leher, a housing society in Pune, has been using Ecomposter since 1.5 years. It's a 200 flat society generating up to 100 kgs of waste every day.
2013 मध्ये जेव्हा पुणे महानगरपालिकेने ओला कचरा उचलायचं बंद करण्याची नोटीस आमच्या सोसायटीला पाठवली, तेव्हा ओला कचरा उचलण्याचं मोठं संकटग्रस्त आम्हाला सोसायटीवर कोसळलं होतं. तेव्हा त्यानंतर पुढल्या 4-5 महिन्यात अशी परिस्थिती होती की त्या ओला कचरा ठेवण्याच्या जागेपासून आम्हाला गेलो तरी प्रचंड वास येत होता आणि तिथनं जाणंसुद्धा असह्य होत होतं. त्यानंतर सोसायटीने निर्णय घेतला की कंपोस्ट खत जे कंपोस्ट पीठ आधीचे होते त्यामध्ये ओला कचरा जिरवण्याचं जे वर्षभरापासून काम चाललं होतं ते आधीच डिटोरिएट झालेलं होतं. त्यानंतर लक्षात आलं की आपल्या सोसायटीतून निघणारा कचरा आणि कंपोस्ट पीठची कॅपॅसिटी ही सुसंगत नाही. त्यामुळे आम्ही कंपोस्टर मशीन घ्यायचा विचार केला. गेल्या 1.5 वर्षापासून आमच्या सोसायटीच्या आवारात कंपोस्टर मशीन बसवलेलं आहे. त्याचासुद्धा अत्यंत उत्कृष्ट रिझल्ट असल्यामुळे आमचा ओल्या कचऱ्याचा प्रश्न पूर्णपणे सुटलेला आहे.
Rohan Leher has thus put a small step ahead towards a green future. What makes the Ecomposter unique? It's easy to operate, equipped with intelligent sensors and safety protection measures. No noisy operation. Proactive air filter removes up to 95% foul smell and unacceptable odor. It's a continuous cycle. Food waste can be added at any time. No daily discharge is needed. It's cost effective, less time and space consuming. Improper waste management causes environmental hazards. It claims thousands of lives every year. We claim to save these lives. We aim to convert 2,000 tons of solid kitchen waste to compost this year. Let's save Earth, let's save lives, and let's save smiles.